right now in SugarCRM, I'm working on opportunities. I'm working on a particular opportunity and a deal. And right from here, I can go into either a quoting workflow or a service workflow. So as I go into a quoting workflow, I can go in and create a new proposal. I can go into that particular opportunities proposal. Things get automatically populated, and this entire experience can be tailored very easily by sales operations and RevOps teams by using just the administrative plane under setup, where they can manage their price books, manage their templates, manage their user interface layouts, approval groups, and all of these things. Everything that I alluded to there can actually be done right here very easily themselves. Does not require any kind of coding. Now, what does that mean in terms of seller experience? It means that they're able to craft a seller experience and a workflow that adapts to your routes to market, your sales workflow, not the other way around. It means adoption is high. People are comfortable going through a coding process because it seems very familiar to what they've always done. The tech stack has adopted to what they need in terms of the information they need to see as part of their sales workflow. It adapts to their business, and that makes it so much more easier and faster for them to go through the whole process. So if I go into a quote, I can add additional line items. I can add service items. I can sell products. I can sell services. I can work with multiple currencies and different price books. And the system is intelligent enough to automatically populate what it needs to populate, depending on what it knows about the particular customer, the customer attributes, or the deal attributes. And that's where a lot of the AI aspects come in as well. Products that can be recommended are pre-populated. Service items that are recommended are pre-populated. Products can be straightforward products, standalone products. It can be configurable products where you can click through and provide additional attributes and add bundles with sub products and things like that. So very easily you can go through in a matter of minutes what used to take a lot of time, where you have to swivel chair between multiple things and put it all together. Sometimes manually. We've seen people still do it manually in Excel spreadsheets and templates. You could do this now very easily without ever leaving the auspices of your CRM user interface. It's fully integrated. It knows who you are as a seller. It has single sign-on, bidirectional integration. It's natively within the CRM UI, and very easily you can transition from an opportunity to creating a quote, sending it out for approvals, doing digital signatures, and then very quickly generating proposals, which can produce branded proposals with all of the information from the CRM, from the CPQ session automatically populated here, dynamically merged with the right kind of line items that you might have included, including discounts and all of that, and can collate other things like terms and conditions and so on and so forth. So once you have all of that, it can complete the loop by writing it back into your opportunity in the CRM, and all the line items show up, and that goes into the forecasting that Matt was showing. All of those charts that you were showing, all of that information automatically gets updated with the quotes and orders that you place. And one of the things you could do here is, as you complete this process, you can immediately then also transition it to go to field service or installations and other things. So you can translate that into the service module that also again augments. It will automatically create jobs that you need to do in the field, whether it's once the contract is closed, you need to send somebody out to install, somebody out to service an equipment. It will automatically create a project and a work order and assignment of jobs to different people. It can schedule them in the calendar. It'll give them a map view so that back office teams, service teams, operations teams can see where the technicians are and how they allocate them to manage service throughput and efficiency. They can manage resources that they have. And as all of these things get completed, there is a mobile app component as well that I'm not going to show here, but we'll speak to, which automatically will provide the technicians with all of the information in their mobile apps. So it alerts them that certain jobs have been allocated to them. They can go to the site, they can perform the particular job and close out those jobs. And when they close out those jobs, it comes back into the CRM and triggers the invoicing process and the collection of the cash. So that's what I mean by quote to cash to service. It makes it really easy for you to transition all the way from the beginning of the sales workflow all the way to the end and complete that cycle, not only for new customers that you bring on board, but also on an ongoing basis for upsells and cross-sells.